A lion. Let's open it. It is eraser. Wow, this is so cute. Do you like it, kids? You can also separate them. Let's join them again.
Hiya.
Brown color, orange color, white color, black color. Hope you enjoy it, kids. Keep it aside. Oh wow, a bunny. So cute. It is eraser. Let's open it. This is so cute. White color, pink color, orange color. Let's separate it. Hands, legs, ears. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya.
Now keep it aside. Oh wow, a bear. This is eraser also. Let's open it. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts. Yellow color, green color. Let's separate them. Now join them again.
Hiya.
Now keep it aside.
Whoa!
A dinosaur. This is also eraser. Let's open it. It is Triceratops. You can also separate them. yellow color, brown color.
No.
Let's join them again. You know that it has 3 horn face? Keep it aside. Oh wow, an aeroplane. This is orange color aeroplane. So cute. Do you like it, kids? By pressing this, you can also open this. Wow, it is so funny. You can also close this. It is a very good play item. Let's play again. Now keep it aside. Oh wow, a two-wheel scooter. This is so nice and also colorful. Let's open it. Blue color, yellow color, black color. You can also separate them. Let's separate. Wheels. Let's join them again.
Hiya.
Now keep it aside. Today we will learn alphabet. Let's start. Oh wow, color pens. So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is red. Second color is green. Third color is yellow. And our last color, fourth color is sky blue. Now we will learn alphabet. Green. S. S for sky. S for also sparrow. Red. T. T for tractor. T for tailor. Sky blue. U. U for umbrella. U for uniform. Yellow. V. V for vast. V for valley. Green. W. W for vessel. W for also window. Red. X. X for X-ray. X for Xerox. Sky blue. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for young. Yellow. Z. Z for zebra. Z for also zigzag. Now say with me kids. S, T, U. V, W, X. Y, Z. Bye bye kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.